Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram show activity status option not showing. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to turn off or turn on your activity status, or if you want to show activity status option not showing on your Instagram, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the Instagram app. You need to tap on the profile icon. Just tap on these three horizontal lines. In this you can see first option, settings and privacy. Just tap on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, in this you can see messages and story replies. You need to tap on this option. Under this option you will find show activity status. Just tap on this. You can see show activity status option. It is disabled. If you want to enable, just tap on this. If you want to disable your activity status, you can disable from it. You can disable from it here. That's it guys. So in this way you can show your activity status on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.